So today guys, magluluto ako ng sea bream. Look how much is a 2 sea bream. One sea bream is cost. It's too expensive. This is 10 pounds. Look how big is it. And now, so no, I need to clean it first. Here, it costs 20 pounds. So magluluto tayo. So binili ko to dyan sa may kanto. So let's cook guys. Let's start cooking later. So first, this one, we need to remove this one, yung hasang na. I-remove muna natin yung hasang. This one, it's still fresh. Still fresh. It's clean. It's clean already. But I only remove this one. So it's fresh. You know, when the fish is like fresh, this one becomes red. It's red, still red. But if not fresh, it becomes this one like a pale white. Pale white. There's another thing. Scissors. We put scissors to cut this. Cut this one. Because I need to fry this one first. Fry this one. Then after, I will make a escabeche. Escabeche. Fish is escabeche. And here, this one by side. Kuhain muna natin to. Because it's not good. If you fry this one, you can, yeah. Now it's clean. And here, side by side. This is hot weather today, really hot. Oops. Here. Cut muna natin to. Make it easier to cook. And this one, actually this is already clean because they already cleaned the intestine. This is really expensive here in the UK. The fish is really expensive. Cut muna natin yung tail. Just half of it. That. That's it. Need to wash this first. And then after that, this one. Because I need to fry this one first, then after I will make a sweet, it's called sweet sauce, sweet and sour sauce. I will make sweet and sour sauce. I think to para absorb, so that the oil will absorb inside, so that's why I cut this one like this. I'm not a professional cutter guys, but it's okay, I do my hand. But I need to be careful for myself, not to cut off myself. Wash it properly, but actually this is already clean. Cost 10 pounds, around in Philippine pesos, 10 pounds, like 700 pesos. One is 700 pesos. It's too expensive here. But in the Philippines, it's one is one. I think it's only 1 kilo is only around 200 pesos, like around 5 pounds. It's only 5 pounds, but here it is 20 pounds. That, yeah. I need to turn off the camera first, guys, so that. Now what I need to do is I need to put some seasoning, my favorite seasoning, in the fish. Just because my hand like that. Yeah. While waiting, so just put this, that, here inside. It's so hard because I'm only taking my video for myself, just holding my camera, just me, like that, and here, put some seasoning mix. Actually, this seasoning mix is organic seasoning mix, not really chemical based. Yeah, like that, just rub it, so that it tastes really good. Oh, this one I forgot to that. Yeah, like that. See, just waiting. I need to make the pan heat first before I put this fish. Now I put the pan, then turn it on just for. Then I will put a little bit of oil later if the pan is still hot. Now the pan is hot, so I need to put an oil, just more oil because my fish is really big. So that's why I need more oil to make the fish cook well. Now the pan is hot now, so I just put in here. Now let's turn around. Wow, it's ready. Look at how nice and beautiful it is. And later on, it will become ready. Now it's ready, guys. Have a look. It's ready now. Yeah, just transfer this one over here. And this one, let's see, it's not yet, I think this one is not yet ready. So let's check this one, guys. If it's ready, I think it's okay now. Yeah, it's okay now. It's perfect cook. Perfect cook by me. Now look at. Look at, guys. It's ready. So now I'm making the sauce.
Now I set aside this one because I'm making the sauce. I'm making the sweet and sour sauce so that it will become fish escabeche. So now guys, look at how freshly crispy my fish is.
Now I have here the carrots. So I need to peel first everything here. Carrots. Just only both to this for the sauce. And look at, guys, how nice today it is. Today, the pepper, the ginger, and the garlic. I forgot to put the onions. These onions in the here. While waiting for the oil to mag-hot siya, so I need to slice first these onions, the ginger, garlic, the red pepper, and the 2 carrots. So let's slice this one first. Actually, I'm not a professional cook, okay? This is my simple way of cooking, my own version. If you judge me, that's up to you. I'm not a professional one, but I'm trying my best to cook it for myself. Because I'm not... Yeah, there's one. This is called escabeche. One of my favorite dishes. This is like I'm making the sauce. So yeah, actually this is sweet pepper. This is good for the escabeche. So pataas siya, slicing. So this is ready for my lunch later. So I need to cook rice first because this is good with rice and rice with the fish. Okay. This one. Okay. It's a beautiful day today. So I need to transfer the red paper so that I need more space because I need to separate the garlic and the onions in here. So let's slice the garlic. This is not the organic one garlic because the organic one is more expensive than this one. So try my best. I will do like that so that easier to peel. That. Easier. So look, if I do like that, so this is easier for me. I don't need to peel more ages, more time spent. So inani na lang siya ako ang idea. Hindi na lang akong idea kay more easy. So hi to you all guys who are watching my video. Say hi to you all. As I said to you, I'm not a professional cook, but I'm doing my best to cook because I love cooking. I really love cooking, but I'm not a really good meat eater. I just focus on fish, vegetables, some chicken, and pork. And that's it. The meat I'm eating. I don't eat any. I'm not a really meat lover. One of my favorite is like a fish. It's like, sorry for my English wrong grammar sometimes because I'm not English. I'm from Philippines. Just I'm doing like this, more easier. That's it. And the onions. I'm using the red onions, guys, because red onions is I love that. I love the red onions. I think the white one is good for the soup. If you're making soup, it's good the white one. But this one, I prepare this one because it's easier. Easier is tasty, more tasty. Not easier, my god. Tasty. So I'll do like that. I'm not a perfect chopper. As long as it's chopped. Simple and easy. I don't need more complication. Okay. And the second, my ice is crying for the onions. In a second, guys. So I have here the ginger. Okay. It's better there's ginger, guys, because it will taste good if there's a ginger. So I'm making the soup. This is my own version. Everyone has different version, guys, okay? So let's embrace every version of cooking. So like that, it's easier for me. Actually, this is not Asian ginger. Asian ginger is better than this one. Actually, I don't know which type to this one. That. And this one, the carrots. So here the carrots. Actually, this one is nice here. Because sometimes this one is not cleaned properly. Yeah, this one. It's really hot today, afternoon hot in England. Look at the weather, it's beautiful weather today. I hope it looks like this every day. I wish, just wishing. So here we need to separate the carrots on this side, just like that. It's too hard. Separate that side. While waiting for the fish, for the fried fish, to be fully cooked, so that's why I need to slice first. I need to slice first the ingredients for the sauce. I don't know how to. Okay. Here now. So I'm done. Now I will make it a little bit hot and put a bit oil. Put a little bit of oil, not much. Not much, guys. Because so this one, the onions. Put the onions. And this one, the garlic. And the ginger. Let's put all together, guys. A little bit. So this time I put a little bit of flour to make the, what's it called, the sticky, to make the what's it called, the sauce will become sticky. Now the carrots. Let's add the carrots. I think I will add more water from this one. Now let's check. Now let's add the pepper and then mix this one. I add more water. Actually, I add more water. And then let's add the sugar. Look at, guys. Let's add a little bit of sugar. 2 teaspoons. We will check later if everything's fine. And then this one, organic coconut vinegar, a little bit, not much, so that makes it a little bit sour. And then after that, let's add this one, the, what's it called, the flour. The flours that make a little bit sticky later on. And then salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's check. And now let's add a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit, not much, soy sauce. That. Now let's add this is flour. I put water in flour, so that it's not like sticky. Yeah, like that. Now let's put this one here. Like that. No, it's not. Now it's done, guys. So let's put like that. Yeah, like that. That's why it's more sticky, because I put loads of flour. Yeah, loads of flour. Yeah, like that. So it's ready. I separate from here, guys. Yeah, I separate because this is really big fish. And look, like that. Yeah, like that. So now it's ready. Now I put in here, guys. Put in here the bigger one. So this is better. It's easier for me. So later on, I will put this one in the fridge, ready to eat for my dinner. This is it, my escabeche.
Now I need to test if everything's fine. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel.
Bye!